This video captures the journey of an intensive 6-day corporate training on Advanced Excel 365 conducted at IEEE. The training was conducted by Dr. Aadi Puttaswamy T and was designed specifically to meet real corporate requirements. Over 6 days, participants explored Excel in depth, starting with creating structured lists, paste special options, and a clear understanding of relative, absolute, and mixed references. The program covered functions and formulas, dynamic named ranges, advanced sorting and filtering techniques, along with professional formatting and conditional formatting used in real business scenarios. Participants also worked on number formatting, data validation, text to columns, removing duplicates, and productivity tools like FlashFill. They learned to build impactful charts and graphs, work efficiently with tables, and generate insights using pivot tables, pivot charts, slicers, and timelines. Advanced concepts such as Excel 365 formulas, Power Query Editor, data modeling, and Power Pivot were also covered. Most importantly, the entire program was completely practical, including real-time dashboard designing, enabling participants to apply these skills directly in their workplace. Now let's hear directly from the participants. Here are some of the feedbacks from the participants.
My name is Ish and I work here in IEEE. We attended a 6-day bootcamp style Excel training wherein we got really comfortable for those of us who had no idea. Initially I rated myself I think 1 or 2, and by the end of it I would rate myself higher than from where I started. So it was really good, it got us comfortable and it made us confident enough to explore on our own and come up with doubts. It was a really good session and all. Thank you.
Hi, this is Nitin Kumar and currently I'm working with IEEE. And when I started this session with Aadi sir, I worked on Excel earlier, but I was not aware about how to use it, right? And the session by Aadi sir has given me that visibility, how to use the feature. And since I am from program management, background, and this is my core competencies, so I think this will really help me in future to shape the thing, because see, the goal is relying on data completely, right? And we are talking about data analytics and all. So obviously this all sessions will definitely help me, and I'll definitely recommend you to please join this session and this class. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gaurish. I'm working in IEEE. So I got an opportunity to get the training in the advanced Excel from Aadi sir. So the session was very interactive. The way he teach the session, it was very good, and he was completely flexible, and we had an interactive session. So I got to know many of the formulas and how to use the Excel in my day-to-day activities. So overall, I can say it was a good session which helped me in a lot, and also I think it will be helpful for me in my life. Thank you, Aadi sir, for the wonderful session.
Hi, my name is Leena. I'm part of the HR team in IEEE in India office, and this Advanced Excel training is the first time I'm going through this training, and it has been a really eye-opener for me, and I'm sure it's really going to help me in my HR work. And I thank Aadi and the team to train us, and it was really good the way the training was done.
Earlier I used to work on Excel, not much, but after this training I felt that I'm more confident, and I should be able to use Excel more confidently, and I've learned a lot of new features that I was not aware of.
So I took training from IT Analytics, and it was an amazing training. Aadi sir taught us so many concepts in such an easier way and step by step that it helped us a lot. I'm sure it will help me in my project management work and overall work that I do in daily life. Thank you, Aadi sir, and thank you, IT Analytics.
These are the participants who successfully completed the training and received their certificates for Advanced Excel 365 corporate training. iTech Analytics Solutions would like to sincerely thank Leena Jacob and IEEE for giving this wonderful opportunity to conduct the Advanced Excel 365 corporate training.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow iTech Analytics Solutions for daily learning. Namaskara.